A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is calm magnetism, the silent power of integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, the applause fades, the echo disappears, yet something deeper remains, the quiet radiance of integrity, shining where no spotlight reaches. True power begins when performance ends, when noise subsides and only a sense speaks. In that stillness, strength is not displayed, it is felt. In an age racing toward attention, calmness stands timeless, unseen, unshaken, yet holding the gravity that draws the world toward order. It is not weakness but mastery, not withdrawal but command, the silent rhythm through which truth breathes and life aligns. Integrity is not a moral ornament. It is the physics of the soul. It aligns thought, word, and action into one continuous current of coherence. The same coherence that science now measures in the synchronized dance between the human heart and brain. When alignment deepens, the body's electromagnetic field expands, broadcasting order into disorder, calm into chaos. Quantum understanding echoes this mastery. Every particle moves by an unseen intelligence, a field of pure potential that responds to vibration. The mind in integrity vibrates with such precision that reality itself bends toward it. What faith once called divine will, physics now calls the unified field. Both describe the same law. Consciousness, when aligned, becomes creative force. Ancient seers named this order Rata, the cosmic symmetry sustaining existence. To live in integrity is to move in resonance with that law. Even in solitude, such a being is never alone. The entire architecture of the cosmos leans gently in their favor. The honest path is seldom paved with comfort, yet it alone carries gravity. Calmness is its companion, not as absence of motion, but as mastery of direction. The earth spins in silence, holding oceans and fire in perfect poise, so does the balanced mind hold its inner elements without rupture. When storms arise, the steady one does not fight the wind. They adjust their sail to its wisdom. Resistance becomes propulsion. Pressure becomes polish. For integrity is not brittle. It bends like light through crystal, yet never fractures. Even moments of weakness do not tarnish the sun within. Doubt passes like clouds. Radiance remains. The inner sun, powered by communion with the cosmic intelligence, rises again, untouched, eternal. What's the way forward? The coming era will not be ruled by noise, but by resonance. Nations will thrive not by dominance, but by coherence, by leaders whose calm carries gravity greater than force. Innovation will find its compass not in ambition but in alignment. Societies will heal when their words and actions sing the same frequency as their ideals. Calm magnetism is the silent revolution awaiting humanity. It transforms presence into influence and influence into evolution. It teaches that stillness is not weakness but stored potential, like the pause before lightning or the silence between two notes where music is born. Those who live in this balance become invisible architects of harmony, shaping outcomes without argument, leading without command, healing without effort. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the one aligned with truth never truly walks alone. Integrity links the finite spark with the infinite flame, making the human will a reflection of cosmic law. In that state, calmness ceases to be an act, it becomes nature. Strength ceases to be struggle, it becomes gravity itself. And then, as Lord Krishna's timeless voice resounds through ages in the revered Bhagavad Gita, he reminds the seeking soul, perform every action, O Arjuna, established in the calm of inner balance. Remain equal in success and failure. For such equanimity is the highest yoga. In that sacred calm lies the rarest magnetism, the light that neither argues nor retreats, the strength that commands without command, the silence that outlasts time. Within that balance lies the rarest power, the magnetic calm that neither fears the storm nor seeks the applause, but simply radiates truth, silently, steadily, eternally, like the sun whose unstoppable shine travels through space, needing no applause, yet giving life to everything it touches. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.